Have you ever wondered what secrets the jungle holds beyond the rustling leaves and beneath the towering canopies? Welcome to the realm of the mysterious jungle, a world where every tree holds a story, every leaf a mystery. This isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing entity, a complex web of life where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays an integral role. In this vibrant, dynamic landscape, diversity is the name of the game. With its myriad of species, the jungle is a treasure trove of biological wealth. From the tiniest hummingbird, a jewel among the foliage, to the mighty jaguar, a shadow in the undergrowth, life here is a constant dance of survival, adaptation, and coexistence. But the jungle is more than just a collection of plants and animals. It's an intricate system, a perfectly calibrated machine where each piece plays its part in maintaining the delicate balance. The towering trees act as the lungs of the earth, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, while the dense undergrowth serves as a nursery, sheltering the young and vulnerable. The jungle's complexity is truly mind-boggling. Each layer, from the sun-drenched canopy to the shadowy forest floor, is a unique world teeming with life. In the upper levels, monkeys swing from vine to vine, birds of paradise display their vivid plumage, while down below, insects scuttle in the leaf litter and secretive creatures stalk the twilight world. But the jungle holds more than just the promise of adventure. It's a crucial habitat, a sanctuary for countless species. It's a pharmacy, offering a wealth of medicinal plants. It's a climate regulator, buffering against global warming. The jungle is a lifeline, not just for the creatures that call it home, but for us too. So, what secrets does the jungle hold? It hides the stories of evolution, the tales of survival, the lessons of coexistence. It whispers the secrets of nature, the wisdom of the wild, the rhythm of life. Dive with us now as we explore the jungle's many layers, each bursting with life. The jungle isn't just a flat stage, it's a multi-storied world, teeming with life from the ground up. Imagine the jungle as a massive natural skyscraper. On the ground floor, we have the forest floor, a world in shadow where sunlight barely reaches. Here, decomposers like fungi and insects play a critical role, breaking down fallen leaves and dead organisms into nutrients that enrich the soil. It's a bustling world of beetles, termites, and millipedes, all working tirelessly to sustain the cycle of life. Just above the forest floor, we enter the understory, a dim, humid layer filled with shrubs, young trees, and large-leaved plants designed to capture the scarce sunlight. It's a paradise for shade-loving creatures like snakes, frogs, and large insects. This is the realm of the secretive and the camouflaged, where hunters like the jaguar silently stalk their prey. Above the understory, we find the canopy, a vibrant, sunlit world teeming with life. This is the jungle's primary living space, a bustling metropolis of birds, monkeys, and myriad insects. It's a world of constant movement and sound where parrots squawk, monkeys chatter, and the leaves rustle with hidden life. Finally, we reach the emergent layer, the jungle's penthouse. Here, above the canopy, the tallest trees reach for the sky, their branches serving as perches and lookouts for eagles, bats, and butterflies. These giants of the jungle, often reaching heights of over 200 feet, are the sentinels of the jungle, standing guard over the teeming life below. Each layer of this jungle skyscraper has its unique rhythm, its own cast of characters, all playing their parts in the grand drama of life. Predators and prey, decomposers and recyclers, climbers and flyers, all interconnected, all dependent on each other in a delicate, complex web of life. From the highest treetops to the damp forest floor, the jungle pulses with life, a symphony of survival and adaptation. Among the jungle's many inhabitants, one creature stands out, the jaguar, a symbol of strength and stealth. This formidable feline is not just a testament to the power of evolution, but is also the embodiment of the jungle's untamed spirit. The jaguar, with its muscular build and formidable jaw strength, is a master predator, reigning supreme in this complex ecosystem. Its unique coat, a stunning tapestry of spots and rosettes, is more than just visually striking. It serves as the perfect camouflage, blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight filtering through the jungle's dense canopy. As a solitary hunter, the jaguar relies on stealth and surprise. It patiently stalks its prey, moving silently through the undergrowth and then pounces with deadly precision. From deer and peccaries to capybaras and even caimans, the jaguar's varied diet is a testament to its adaptability and hunting prowess. Yet this apex predator is not just a taker of life, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. By controlling the populations of other species, jaguars prevent overgrazing, which helps to preserve the jungle's rich plant life. However, life at the top is not without its challenges. Jaguars face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment. Conflict with humans, often over livestock predation, is another major challenge, and then there's the illegal wildlife trade, which targets these magnificent creatures for their beautiful pelts. But even as we speak of these challenges, it's important to remember that the jaguar is a survivor. It has roamed the jungles for thousands of years, adapting to changing environments and overcoming numerous obstacles. Its continued existence is a testament to the resilience of nature. The jaguar, the jungle's majestic apex predator, faces challenges that threaten its reign, yet it continues to inspire us with its strength, grace, and indomitable spirit. As we delve deeper into the jungle's mysteries, let's take a moment to appreciate these magnificent creatures and the vital role they play in this vibrant ecosystem. To survive in the jungle, you must be inventive, and nature, as always, delivers. Imagine a world where every day is a test of your adaptability. A world where only the cleverest, the most resilient, and the most inventive survive. Welcome to the jungle, where life is a daring act of constant adaptation. Let's take a closer look at some of these remarkable adaptations. Consider the sloth, the slow-moving maestro of the jungle. With a metabolism slower than a snail's pace, the sloth hangs upside down in the trees, almost invisible to predators. Their unhurried lifestyle helps them conserve energy, a precious resource in this demanding environment. Then we have the toucan, famous for its oversized, flamboyant beak. But this beak is more than just a fashion statement. It's a versatile tool, used to reach fruits hidden in the nooks and crannies of trees, to intimidate rivals, and even to regulate body temperature. Yes, size does matter in the jungle, especially when it comes to survival. On the other end of the spectrum, we have tiny but mighty poison dart frogs. They may be small, but they certainly know how to make a statement. Their vibrant colors are not for vanity, but a vital warning to potential predators. Eat me, and you'll regret it. This is aposematism, a bold strategy of self-advertisement where being seen is better than being eaten. Let's not forget the leafcutter ants, the little architects of the jungle. They've harnessed the power of agriculture, cultivating their own fungus farms. They cut leaves not to eat, but to feed their underground fungus gardens. It's a prime example of how even the smallest of creatures can adapt to the challenges of jungle life. Every creature in the jungle, no matter how small, has found its own unique way to thrive in this bustling environment. From the languid sloth to the industrious ants, every adaptation tells a story of survival, resilience, and the ingenious ways life adapts to the ever-changing demands of the jungle. In the jungle, cooperation can be just as important as competition. This vast, lush world is filled with unlikely alliances and partnerships, all designed for survival in this intricate ecosystem. Take, for instance, the leafcutter ants. These diligent workers are the farmers of the insect world, cutting leaves and carrying them back to their colonies. But they're not dining on these leafy greens. Instead, they use them to cultivate a special type of fungus, their primary food source. This is a classic example of a symbiotic relationship known as mutualism, where both parties benefit. But the world of symbiosis doesn't stop there. The jungle is a place of endless connections. Consider the relationship between the fearsome predator, the jaguar, and the opportunistic vulture. While the jaguar gets the first pick of its kill, the vulture patiently waits to clean up the leftovers. It's a win-win situation. The jaguar doesn't have to deal with the remains of its meal, and the vulture gets a free dinner. This is known as commensalism, another form of symbiosis where one party benefits while the other is unaffected. In the dense undergrowth, the bromeliad plant offers a water-filled haven for small creatures like tree frogs and insects. The plant benefits from the nutrients provided by the waste of these temporary residents. This is yet another example of mutualism, showcasing the creative ways life forms coexist in the jungle. Even the towering trees and the creeping vines have a symbiotic relationship. The trees provide the support and sunlight the vines need to grow, while the vines help stabilize the trees in the loose, wet soil of the jungle floor. These partnerships demonstrate the intricate web of life that sustains this diverse ecosystem. It's a delicate balance, a dance of dependence, where each player has a role to play in the grand scheme of the jungle. For in this green expanse, cooperation often trumps competition, and survival hinges on the ability to work together in remarkable ways. These symbiotic relationships remind us that in the jungle, no creature is an island. Despite its vibrancy and resilience, the jungle faces numerous threats. The very lifeblood of our planet, these lush habitats are under siege from a variety of fronts. The most prominent among them is deforestation. Every day, vast expanses of the jungle are felled, making way for agriculture, logging, and urban development. This not only destroys the homes of countless species, but also disrupts the intricate balance of the ecosystem. Another formidable opponent is climate change. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns pose severe challenges to the jungle's inhabitants. Species that have spent millions of years adapting to specific conditions may find themselves unable to cope with these rapid changes. Moreover, extreme weather events such as hurricanes and droughts can wreak havoc on these delicate ecosystems. The illegal wildlife trade further adds to the jungle's woes. It's a grim reality that many creatures of the jungle are sought after for their fur, ivory, or simply as exotic pets. This cruel and unsustainable trade pushes many species to the brink of extinction. But it's not all doom and gloom. While the jungle faces daunting challenges, dedicated efforts are underway to protect and preserve this irreplaceable ecosystem. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and organizations are standing up for the jungle. They're implementing sustainable farming methods, advocating for stronger environmental laws, and even replanting lost forests. Innovative conservation projects are also making a real difference. From the creation of protected areas to the reintroduction of endangered species, these initiatives are giving the jungle a fighting chance. Education plays a critical role too. By raising awareness about the jungle's plight, we can inspire more people to respect and protect this incredible environment. The journey towards a sustainable future for the jungle is undoubtedly a challenging one. But with determination, creativity, and a shared commitment to preserving the rich tapestry of life that calls the jungle home, we can ensure that these vibrant ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. The survival of the jungle and its inhabitants rests not just in nature's hands, but in ours. This statement underpins the reality we all face. The jungle, teeming with life, bursting with color, and echoing with the sounds of the wild, is more than just a spectacle of nature. It's a haven for countless species, a generator of oxygen, and a crucial part of our planet's health. Yet it's under threat, and we hold the power to make a difference. We can take action. We can lend our voices to the chorus calling for the preservation of these incredible ecosystems. We can use our platforms, no matter how big or small, to raise awareness about the threats facing the jungle. From deforestation and climate change to illegal wildlife trade, knowledge is power, and sharing that knowledge is a step towards change. Supporting conservation organizations is another tangible way to contribute. These dedicated groups work tirelessly to protect habitats, enforce regulations against illegal activities, and educate communities about sustainable practices. By donating or volunteering, we can bolster their efforts and help them make a greater impact. But our responsibility doesn't stop there. We must also reflect on our everyday choices. Are we supporting sustainable practices? Are we choosing products that don't contribute to deforestation? Are we reducing our carbon footprint? It's these small, everyday decisions that, when multiplied by millions of people, can have a profound effect on the health of our planet. And finally, let's celebrate the jungle. Let's marvel at the jaguar's strength, the sloth's patience, the toucan's ingenuity. Let's appreciate the intricate web of life that exists in this vibrant ecosystem. By fostering a deep love and respect for the jungle and its inhabitants, we encourage a mindset of conservation. Together, we can ensure a future for the jungle and the amazing life it supports. So, let's step up, take action, and be the change we wish to see in the world. After all, the survival of the jungle is not just a matter of preserving nature's beauty, but a crucial part of our own survival too. The jungle is a world of wonder, a testament to nature's endless creativity and resilience. We've journeyed through the layers of this vibrant ecosystem, marveled at the ingenious adaptations of its inhabitants, and glimpsed into the intricate web of life that sustains it. But as we've seen, this paradise faces many threats, from deforestation to climate change. Yet the power to make a difference lies with us. By raising awareness, Supporting conservation efforts and appreciating the incredible biodiversity around us, we can play a part in preserving this irreplaceable treasure. We can ensure that the symphony of life that is the jungle continues to play on, enchanting future generations with its magic. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. We hope this journey has inspired you as much as it has us to cherish and protect our planet's wild places. Until our next adventure, remember, every action counts. Stay curious and keep exploring.